Hi everybody. In this video I would like to show you how to access and log into Google Classroom. Google Classroom is one of the many free Google apps. These apps are designed to run in modern browsers like Firefox, Microsoft Edge and Safari, but you will get the best experience if you use Google's own browser, Google Chrome. If you do not already have Google Chrome installed in your computer, you can download it from www.google.com/Chrome. I will put a link in the description below this video. As I do not have Google Chrome installed on this computer, I will be using Microsoft Edge, which is built into Windows 10 in order to download Chrome. If you're on a Mac, you can use Safari to do the same. To download Chrome, I'm going to click on the Download Chrome button. Then I'm going to click on Run. And then I'm going to say yes to the security alert. Google Chrome will download and install. I will fast forward this section. When Google Chrome is finished installing, a new Chrome window will pop up. To go to Google Classroom, click in the address bar of your browser and type in classroom.google.com. In Google Classroom, it is important to check if you are already signed in with another Google account. In this case, you can see I'm signed in with my personal account. To change to your school account, click on the arrow, click on Use Another Account, and then enter your school user account. And your school password. Congratulations, you have signed into Google Classroom. Google Classroom is also available for mobile devices. If you have an Android device, you can download Google Classroom at the Play Store, or if you have an iOS device, you can download Google Classroom at the Apple App Store. I will put all the links in the description under this video. Thank you for watching.